Hey everyone, so welcome back to Kid Kaksha and the DaeDarus hack stream. So today we are going to talk about what is Battlesnake and how we are going to play with it and get start with it. So I guess we have Abhinav with us. Hi Abhinav, mic unmute. Abhinav, your mic is mute.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That was very foolish of me. So we are having another round of Battlesnake, and I'm quite pretty excited. I guess here, Nimesh, you'll be giving us a walkthrough how to play Battlesnakes, right?
Yeah. So for now,
And
I will share all the details and what is Battlesnake, how can you get started with, and then after few minutes of break, we'll do a live battle, and those who will win, they will win some swags. So let's get
swags.
started.
We need swags, right? If there's an event, there should be swags, and that's why we are here, right? So I'm excited. Can you tell me, Animesh, what kind of coding skills do we need to start with this game?
Basically, you don't need any coding skills. The basic knowledge of logics, algorithms, and just a basic knowledge of syntax are good to go. They have already built many APIs which are running on a backend. So all you have to do is just write what you want your snake to do. So let's
That's
get
nice.
started.
That's nice. Animesh, like just one last question. What programming language are we using today?
Today we are gonna use JS, JavaScript, and which is also based on Node. They have other starter projects too, like Python, Java, etc., etc. So
Great, great,
if
great. That
users like, they can
sounds
build
great.
using those also.
I guess we should start. Totally depends upon you. I love JS. Everybody loves JS, and now we love Battlesnake.
So let me share my screen, and then we can go on. Is it visible, Abhinav?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Okay, cool, cool. So, as first, let me tell you about what Battle Snake is. I guess everyone has played the Snake game on those old phones that we used to have, or some PC that we used to play. So, Battle Snake is just the modern version of that Snake game, in which they have built APIs which run on the backend, and all we have to do is program our Snake to move the way we want them. So, let me share the docs. Okay, here's the document. So basically, it's open source. You can get access to it, get start or contribute to it as you want to. So then let's get started with the starter projects. Okay, so these projects that we are going to use today are the boilerplates. For more advanced one, they have been maintained and are continuously updated by the Battlesnake team themselves. So today we are going to use the JavaScript project. That's this one, the starter snake node for JavaScript. I've already opened it, so I'm not gonna share it. But if you want to run it, you can directly run it on Ripple and copy paste the code. That's the code. So let me get started with it. Yeah. So here we are. So this is the basic implementation of Battlesnake APIs. They are move, start, and end. The three APIs that we are going to use today. This project is deployed on Ripple, but you can also download it, edit in your local machine, and then upload it on the Heroku as you like it. So these are the prerequisites. All you want is the Battlesnake account, GitHub account, and Ripple.it account. Pardon the induction. Okay, so here it is. So let me first show you that how you can import the Battlesnake from here to your actual Battlesnake account. So here it is. That's the domain that we are going to go with. We have to copy this. Go in a battle snake, create a battle snake. So for this, we are gonna name it, what should I say? No battle snake. Cool. And the URL that we copied from here, that's this one. Allow anyone to add this battle snake to a game. Cool. So here it is. We will see how we can customize and what all we can offer to our snake appearances. So let's go to the docs, personal references, and here we can see that they have many options. We are gonna give it a look. Battle guide. So yeah, these are the defaults and standard ones that we are going to use in this project. For this project, I think we are gonna use Belunga as a head. Belunga has already been used, so let's change it. Let's change it to Fang. And as a tail, mm, let's use Hook. It is completely upon your wish that you want to, which type of snake do you like and what you want to do with it. In author, let's name it as a DaeDarus hackathon. Now what we have to do is restart it. So looks good from here, and then let's refresh the metadata. So here we have our node Battlesnake. If we refresh it, you will see that its appearance have changed. Here it is, node battle. And let's ask some suggestions from Abhinav or Shritishna that which type of color do they want the snake to look like. Hi Abhinav,
I guess
do you have any
blue would
suggestions,
do.
or
I
let's ask
guess,
from the audience
yeah,
if they
I
have any
guess
suggestions?
blue would do fine. Blue or like something greenish blue.
Greenish blue. So basically cyan color, I guess.
Yeah, Sam. Yeah.
Let's see. Cyan color code. So this is it, I think. And we have changed its appearance. Let's start it again. Refresh the metadata. And here we have our node Battlesnake updated in the custom experiences. So let's go ahead and see what it can do right now. I'm choosing a medium size because it has some certain space limits and it can move easily from there. So here it is. Let's play. So as you can see, it took 4 turns before colliding with itself. That happened because we have yet to code that it should not avoid with walls or itself and find foods. These are in the rules also, the checkout list, the to-dos of the battle. See, like here, see here. Like avoid colliding with other snakes to move towards food, avoiding colliding with itself, and avoid colliding with walls. So I have already created a one and prepared beforehand for you all. It's here. So you can see that there is a basic difference of how we are handling the request and how we are handling how it will move. So basically it's here, handle move, and you can see from here that we have made major changes in it, so it can move like that. So in this, what we are basically doing that we have created a list in which we will store our possible moves, and we have requested the game data from the body of the snake. And this is our logic that we are using to avoid colliding itself with its neck, not body, just neck part. And this part, we are telling it that you can avoid walls. If you want to add how it can avoid itself or a body, you have to make some minor tweaks in above one. I'm gonna let you do that one. I want to see how creative you can get. So this is the ready-made one. I will Abhinav, can you share this one link in the chat so everyone can use it?
Yeah, yeah, I have shared all the links in the chat box.
Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So you can use this for your reference and learn from it. So let me go it and create a new battle snake. Let's name it Sandy. The URL that we have copied. Let's the description for a while. Okay. So DaeDarus, I think should work. Cool. Here it is. DaeDarus. Now we are going to play a game with our new snake. That is here. DaeDarus. So yeah, here it is. Let's see how does it move in compared to the previous one. Now you can see that it is avoiding the walls and it is also avoiding its neck, but it couldn't avoid its tail or a body. Let me just recreate a match. Let me see it now. There. So it is able to find its food if it's hungry, and it is avoiding itself until and unless there is no other option to move. This is the high score that is attaining. Yeah, its highest score is 80. So I guess this is a, and before we start in a league, I would like you to build your own snakes so we can play together and enter in a game. Cool. I think I will stop sharing my screen. Yeah. So it's cool. We are going to take a 20 minutes break or 10 minutes, 15 minutes break at max. Till then, you can see the docs that are in description and have been shared in the link comments. And then we'll move on in a gameplay.
So, hello guys. I'm seeing a great number of uh, chats in the live chat, and that's great. That's great to hear. Here Abhinav says the songs get me the DJ. That's right. Mayank is feeling great. Jessica's feeling great. Harsh is feeling cool. That's great. That's great, guys. So I guess you aren't facing any issues there, right? I'm just here, to tell you as in the starting session, Nimesh told us that there will be a small giveaway, right? So how to go by that giveaway? So Animesh told us, how to build a battle snake. You're right. He gave the whole overview, and we have shared the links in the chat box. I'll uh, I'll share them again in the chat box, right? So now what's happening is what will happen, right? You'll be creating some battle snakes. You'll be using the code. You'll be writing it out, and you'll get yourself a beautiful snake of yourself, right? Now what you have to do is take a screenshot of that snake, or take a picture of that snake and post it out on your Instagram, and post it out on your LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you feel comfortable, right? And don't forget to use the hashtag DaeDarus hack. We'll be posting the hashtag in the chat box. Keep an eye out for that, and also don't forget to mention us, MSA Kit and MSAC Kit. We'll be also doing that in the chat box. I guess Animesh will do that. So that's it. And we'll be selecting few people from among you, from our viewers, who will be receiving swag boxes, who will be receiving uh, some great things from our end. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You have uh, to win something from the address hack. All you have to do is join us, watch us, and learn, and you'll win. That's it. Uh, so yeah, Abhinav is getting crazy in the chat box over there, and so yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do to get the giveaway. Now, I am very excited, I guess, animations too, to see all the battle snakes that we'll be seeing today. And don't forget to tag us, because if you don't tag us, then how would we know? Right. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, and we have also written them in the chat box. You can go and check them out. Uh, you can use the hashtag the address hack, and you can mention us at the rate MSACKit and the rate MSAKit. Use these, and you'll have yourself a great gift from us. And so that's it. That's it. And I hope that you all are working for it. And if you have any doubts, you can use our Discord. You can join us at our Discord at a mini events channel, and you can drop in your doubts, or you can also use the live chat box, right? We'll get back to you as soon as you drop in your doubts. I guess we'll just drop in our website's link, so that it'll help you all to navigate, and to also register yourself for the hackathon, right? Because that's it. Just think, it's just an mini event, and if the mini event's this crazy, then what will the main event will be? What are you expecting from the hackathon, right? So that's it. We at Address Hack believe in swags, believe in that developer. Every developer has their right on free swags, and we believe that every developer should learn in after doing anything, right? And so that's why we are here. I guess Animesh, you're crazy excited, right, to see all the different battle snakes we'll be seeing today.
Yeah, because the one I showed is a very basic and it's in a JS, but the resources that we have shared are from Java, Ruby, Python. So I would like to see how they have made, what language they have used, and what can you do to win today's game.
That's great. That's great. Right. I'm excited too, because yeah, we had this mini event a couple of days back, last week, I guess, right?
Yeah,
And we had
and in that, I
crazy
guess the
submission.
Aditya Chatterjee won, and we had quite a number of participations in that one too. So I'm hoping to see the same excitement this time also.
Crazy, crazy. That's truly crazy. Great, guys. So participate in the giveaway. Um, make your snakes. We'll have a battle. We'll learn JS, we'll learn Ruby, we'll learn Python, I don't know what all, and we'll have fun. That's all from my end, I guess. Animesh, do you want to add on something?
I would like to just remind you all that we have 10 minutes left. So get on your snakes and start working and customize it as much as you want. See you in 10 minutes.
Great, great. Bye bye, guys.
Hey everyone. So we does anyone have any doubt or whatnot? I guess not. So Binav, what type of snake are you working on?
Yeah, I'm working on a. Let me show you. I guess I'll just drop it down here. That'll be fine. I guess it's a very
Yeah, it's
basic
fine.
that I've worked on. But yeah, one sec. Let me just post it up.
So let me show you a mine that I have worked, but won't be using in the
Yeah,
game. It might
can you
be.
check the chat box? I have just the
Yeah,
link
yeah.
to what I've made.
Okay, that's good. That's one is good. So yeah,
I guess it looks.
let me share my screen and then we can play off. So this is mine. Let's see. Get back into the game. PT Luffy.
Can you see my battle snake over here? I
Yeah, yeah.
can't see my
I've added
battle
it.
snake.
I have added a Battlesnake and it's mine. Let's play with this one. Can we get a drum roll? Or is it too much to ask?
Hey, my battle
I
snake. Uh, I don't know what's happening to my snake. I guess my snake got poisoned.
let's see.
Because it
Okay, so I
seems
won
not
it
to
again.
move. Okay, yeah, because of course you'll win it, right?
Okay, then let's add two or three different snakes, I guess. That will help us. Okay, let's play.
Animesh, can you open my code and you can you suggest me like where can I do my changes because I can't
Yeah,
see that
sure.
can
Can
I
you share your REPL or wherever you have hosted or your source code something?
right yeah I have just shared it over my the chat
Yeah,
box. Can you
awesome,
see
awesome.
it? Yeah. Can you show us like how to improvise on it?
Oh yeah, so this is the basic one that the starter node they provide generally to us. Okay. So basically the reason that you are getting hit with the walls is it's because of this part. because it doesn't know where to move, how to move, and when to avoid. For these, you have to make some changes, like
Can you
your
suggest me
basic.
some changes that I can make?
Okay, so first of all, you can read a bit of talk. So they provide some special, what should I say, features. They have made it a little bit informative. So you have body, you have head, you have neck. These they have provided those. What should I call it? Variables. Yeah, variables to you, classes, members. So first of all, what you can do is like I did here. First, try to make it avoid itself. Means avoid the walls. That's it here. So what you can do is create a two variables. Let me show you with this one so it will be better. Yeah. Create a two variables for an x and y, and which is equal to the total board of width of the total board minus 1, that will be the x, and the total height minus 1, that will be the y. And if your head part, the head location moves to what should I say, max x or max y, then it will move left. Because if you try to imagine it in a 3D level, the chart is like this, and then in which you have x position and the y position. So when the head x is moving, so it can either hit right or left if if the x coordinates are 0. So like that, it you have to calibrate it according to that one. My geometry might be a little bit rusty. What should I say about it?
No issues, no issues.
So like it here, so like here, when it was about to hit walls, so it gave the command up, down, and right, which is this. Then the head is moving into the x direction, and the max x, it was about to reach the max x. So it told if the up is not allowed, then move it.
All
So we are
right.
playing on 11 11. This is it here. So the place where x is almost close to the 11, that's 10. So it gave the command move right. X has many positions, so it moved to the x down positions. Let me just click it a bit more so it is visible. Yeah, yeah, in this case, yeah. So when y is about to 9, it moved to the left because as you can see, the x and y positions got changed because there was nothing at the end of the x. If it moved from 0 to 1, it would have 1 to 0, then it would have hit the ball, which is what we don't want. So like that, you can just apply a little bit logics, get the maximum height and width, and then make changes according to it. Hope it's clear to you now.
Yeah, yeah, it's clear.
Like it was great. I learned something out of here. How to operate a snake. It's great because if you do things and you can't visualize them at the very same point of time, it becomes quite difficult to visual to just do it, right? And so
Yeah.
this is a very great way of doing it. So I guess like many people play this after this, and it's great. It's great. It's great.
So let them give it a bit more time. I guess 5 minutes more are left. After that, we'll hop in back.
Right.
So we are back online. Yeah, that's cool. So I hope everybody has made their snakes. Please mention your links of the snake and your username ID in our Discord mini event channel. So it will be considered in a giveaway. I hope this session was very good for you. And if you haven't registered yet, please do register on our DaeDarus hackathon. The links have been provided in the description as well as in the chat box. So it was a great session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you very much.